Hello everyone, this is Dr. Ankika Arora from 32 Watts Clear Aligners, and today I'll be telling you about how to take your self impression at home. So this is the teeth impression kit that you'll be getting once you have given the booking amount. So let's see what's inside. So you will be getting these two impression trays. One is for the upper jaw, which is called as maxilla, and one is for the lower jaw, which is called as mandible. Then after that, you will also be able to see the impression material that you will be provided in this box itself. These two will be for the upper jaw and these two will be for the lower jaw. So now I'll tell you how to manipulate the material and how to take it on the tray. But before that, this literature will also be provided along with this box. So read it thoroughly. In this, the do's and don'ts of mentions are mentioned. So please read it carefully. Now do remember, upper and lower impression trays are different. So how to evaluate that difference? This will be the upper one because this meshwork is given for the palate. So this is for the upper one. In the lower one, there will be a space. This space is being given to accommodate the tongue space. So once again, this will be for the maxilla. In short, you can remember the bigger one is the maxilla, matlab upar wala, and the lower one which have a space will be for the lower one, means the mandible. Now we have to see the setting time. So let's open the upper and the lower impression material, and then I will tell you how to mix them and how to place them inside your mouth. There are 4 boxes in total, out of which I have taken right now 2, one upper and one lower. Now to see the setting time, I have taken a little quantity from the upper box and I have taken little quantity from the lower box. अब हम इन दोनों को mix करेंगे. I hope you can see. We are doing this to check the setting time. This is how it will look once we are mixing both of the components together. It will take on a sky blue color mixture. And then you have to put on the stopwatch to see how long does it take for the setting reaction, for it to set.
So let's wait for 1 or 2 minutes.
So let's wait for 1 or 2 minutes and see how long does it take for the setting time. It's been now 1 minute and 50 seconds to be precise, and let's see ये set हुआ है या नहीं. No, अभी set नहीं हुआ है, तो हम 1.5 मिनट और wait करेंगे. So it's been 3 minutes now, and let's check whether it is set or not. Right now is the perfect consistency that we are looking for, but you don't have to waste that much of time. You can directly check after 3 minutes. See, after 3 minutes, it's completely set. So 3 minutes is the setting time of this reaction. Now we'll start off with the final procedure step. So now I'll start off with the mandible or the lower impression. Before starting off the impression, keep 2 things in mind. You can keep either a tissue paper or a bowl because you'll get lot of saliva, and that is okay. You don't have to worry about that. And secondly, it is okay. तो थोड़ा सा hassle हो सकता है, but that is okay. कोई टेंशन वाली बात नहीं है. Now I'll tell you how to place your tray inside your mouth. You don't have to place it directly. What you have to do is you have to make it sideways. I'll show you how. Now you saw that मैंने sideways डाला and moreover मेरी टंग भी बाहर आ रही थी. ये space टंग के लिए ही provide की गई है, and then I'll push. So this is the direction of the tray that you have to use while making the impression. However, if the pressure part is concerned, what you have to do is you have to put your pressure from your 4 fingers, 2 from the anterior side and 2 from the posterior side. I'll show you how again. Like this. Right now tray is not placed, but I'm telling you beforehand that you have to place the pressure in these 2 areas. Now let's start. Now I've taken both the impressions from the upper one and the lower box. You have to knead it properly. It should be mixed properly and evenly so that there are no uneven strains left. It is just like handling clay. Once you used to do in childhood, it is just like that. So now I have mixed it properly, and as you can see there is one single color of the throughout impression material. Now I'll place it along the impression tray. Now see it carefully. You have to press a little. You don't have to leave the margins behind. You have to cover the margins. See, I'm covering the margins fully. Now I'll place it inside my mouth. So as you can see, my impression came out perfectly. There were no margins left behind, and I can see all the intraoral structures. जो अंदर के structures होते हैं दांत के एकदम perfectly आए हैं because I pressed it perfectly. Secondly, tongue movement क्यों important है देखिए. टंग मूवमेंट इसलिए इम्पॉर्टेंट है क्योंकि मैंने राइट लेफ्ट एंड बाहर निकाला था, तो यहाँ के मार्जिन्स प्रॉपरली आए हैं. सो दैट इज हाउ यू हैव टू टेक द इम्प्रेशन. नाउ वी विल गो फॉर द अपर इम्प्रेशन एंड वी कैन सी द डिफरेंट मूवमेंट. अब इसमें ऊपर टंग तो है नहीं, तो मैं ऊपर दिखाती हूँ आपको क्या रिक्वायर्ड है करना. अगेन यू हैव टू मेक इट साइडवेज. सी यू मस्ट हैव नॉट नोटिस, पर मैंने लिप्स को बाहर निकाला. मैंने लोअर वाले इंप्रेशन में भी लिप्स को बाहर निकाला था. वंस द इंप्रेशन ट्रे वॉज इनसाइड माई माउथ, आई हैव टू पुट इट अपर द इंप्रेशन ट्रे. आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड दैट. नाउ दिस इज द अपर इंप्रेशन. यू हैव टू फिल द ट्रे completely along with the margin. So this is the upper impression that I got. And once you are done with the upper and the lower impression, send the impression to your doctor, and that doctor will coordinate with you if the impression has been taken correctly or not. And once you are done with both of the impression and the doctor approves your impression, you have to pack it properly in the box and send it to our team. Thank you. I hope you liked the video and you understood how to take your upper and lower impression. Bye bye.
Best of luck.
Best of luck for your impression and have electrifying smile with us.